Simple. Krishna consciousness in one line. The problem is not outside, the problem is within. Every problem. Neighbor is not a problem. Country's immigration status is not a problem. Our spouse is definitely not the problem. Children not listening to us is not a problem. Not having enough money is not a problem. The main problem is uncontrolled mind. With a controlled mind, in any circumstance, one can be happy. The 6 Goswamis showed by practical example. If someone has a controlled mind and a satisfied mind, in any situation they can be happy. And if one is uncontrolled, you could be Hiranyakashipu after 60,000 years of anthill tapasya, still be miserable. Prabhupada said he was the master of the whole creation. Hiranyakashipu, but unfortunately was the servant of his mind. And Prahlad Maharaj was the master of his mind. Why? Because he was the servant of the Lord. Prabhupada writes this in the purport. So therefore, all our acharyas, they aim towards convincing the jiva to win the battle against his mind. When you have a boxing match, right? What do you call it? Round 1, round 2, round 3. Therefore, Prabhupada said, every day you will have 16 rounds with your mind. He will say, mat karo. Don't chant. And the jiva will say, I will chant. And 16 rounds, if he beats the mind every day, Saraswati Thakur said a bigger number, but anyway, he said, beat the mind 100 times in the morning and 100 times at night with shoes. But our Prabhupada was very merciful. 16 times you hit him every day, hopefully he will settle. It's like a boxing ring, 16 rounds. You see, round 1, round 2. Prabhuji, you're in which round? I'm in 8th round. Good going, Prabhuji. Mantra, that which controls the mind. So Hiranyakashipu couldn't do it, Prahlad did it. So this is Krishna consciousness. Performing bhakti, serving Krishna and controlling our mind. If this is done, there is happiness. Therefore, Hiranyakashipu's name is Hiranyam and Kashipu, greed and lust. But here, his name is Prahlada. Lada means happiness, like Lahadini, pleasure potency. And he's not Lahada, he is Prahlada. Pra means condensed form, very beautiful form. Prakrishta Rupena Lahada. Lahada means happiness, Ladini. Therefore we sing, Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlad Alada Daine. He is he. Narasimhadev is that personality who can give Lada, happiness, to he who's already Prahlada. Source of happiness. All our acharyas have taught this principle. Raghunath Das Goswami wrote a book called Mana Shiksha. Instructions to the mind. They are so humble, they think there is no need to preach outside. If the jiva can preach to his own mind and convince his mind to perform bhakti, the battle is won. Also we sing the Vaishnav bhajan. Bhaja ho re. Everyone singing same bhajan? Did someone sing Samsara Dava also in the middle? Oh, different tunes. I thought everybody is singing different. Vaishnav songbook kholo. Prabhuji, you sing one, I will sing one. Bhaja hu re mana. Oh mana. Bhaja. Do bhajan. Worship. Who? Shri Nandanandana. Abhaya charanara vindare. You will become fearless. Will become fearless.